Good morning, students of class 2. Today we will learn our chapter number 4, Subtraction. So let's start. Let's recall as you have done subtraction in your class 1, 2. Subtraction means taking away a smaller number from a bigger number. The bigger number is called the minuend and the smaller number is called the subtrahend. The number of the answer, whatever the answer is, it is called difference. Difference means whatever the answer we get after lessing it, after minusing it, we get difference. Subtraction is also represented by minus sign. This is just a sleeping line. So here we are going to do a recall exercise also. In that you have already learned how to less two-digit numbers from one digit, from two digit and from three digit we are also going to learn in that. So first of all we will be recalling exercises. Here, recall exercise is there. Subtract the following. We are going to start from our rightmost part. That is 7 minus 2 is 5. How we do it? We less it. Just keep it in mind that 7, if we have 7 pencils or 7 toffees, sweets, and 2 is given to the younger sister or younger brother, how many pencils or sweets we have now left now. So here we will get 5. 7 minus 2 is 5 and 3 minus 1 is just less the number, and you can tell the number before 3, that is 2. Okay, so answer will be 25. 37 minus 12 is 25. Now next is 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 and 2 minus 1 is also 1. So our answer is 11. 23 minus 12 is 11. 64 minus 32 is 6. We will start from rightmost part. 4 plus 4 minus 2 is 2. And 6 minus 3 is 3. So answer is 32. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 2 minus 2 is the same number is coming. So we get 0. 9 plus 9 minus 3 is 6. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So answer will be 26. 26 is the answer. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 4 minus 5 minus 4 is 1. So answer is 1, 3, 13. Next is at ones place there is 7, and 7 minus 0 means nothing is less from 7. So the answer will come 7 itself. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So answer is 3 and 7. 3 and 7 means 30, 37. Yeah, like this. Next is 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. and 4 minus 2 is 2. So answer is 21. Okay, here we have recalled the sums, the minus sum or the subtraction. In that we have done two-digit subtraction. Now we are going to do our exercises. In that we are going to do 4.1. Using 100 grid, write the number which is 46 but 10 less than 46. So here we will less 1 from 10's place, that is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 6 as it is. 36 is the answer. 20 minus 10 is 10 only. 77 minus 10 is 67. 59 minus 10 is 49. And 63 minus 10 is 53. What we have done? We have done just less 1 from 10's place because it is 20, 30, 40. If number is 10, we are going to less 1 from 10's place. If number is 20, we are going to less 2 from 10's place, and 0 means 0 answer will come the number itself only. 4 minus 40 minus 20 is 20 and 6 as it is. 80 minus 2 is 60 and 2 as it is. 79 minus 2 is 59 as it is. 45 minus 20 is 20 and 5 as it is. 36 minus 20 is 10 and 6 as it is. So number will be 16. Yes, number will be 16. Now 40 less than means 89 minus 4 means 80 minus 40 is 49 as it is. The answer will be 49. 63 minus 40 is 23. 77 minus 40 is 37 because 7 minus 4 is 3 and 7 minus 0 is 7 only, the same digit. 95 minus 40 is 55. 58 minus 40 is 18. Okay, students. Now we are going to use the grid that is given in your book, and we are going to calculate when we are going to know the difference. 34 minus 9 means we have to do the backward counting in that. That is 34, 33, 32, 31. That means we have less 4, 30. When we get 30, we less 4. After that, we have to less 5 more because 9 is made up of 5 and 4 both. So answer will be 34 minus 9. Answer will be 25. Here it comes 20 and here it comes 25. Next is 9 minus 7 is 2 and 8 minus 1 is 7. So answer is 72. Next is 4 minus 3 and 8 minus 5 means 40 minus 30 and 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3 And 4 minus 3 is, means 40 minus 3 is 10 or 1. We just say it 1 only. Okay. Here 9 minus 8 is 1 and 6 as it is because there is no number to be subtract. Answer will be 61. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 7 minus 1 is 6. So answer will be 61 again. 48. 48. 48. 48 minus 30. 8 as it is. 4 minus 3 is 1. So answer is 18 only. Next is 3 minus 0 is 3. We have 3 pencils or 3 notebooks we have and we have not given anyone. That means we have the same thing. Same number of the thing we have. So 3 will be the same. 9 minus 5 is 4. Answer will be 43. Next is 7 minus 1 is 6. Before number. Okay, when 1 is less, it means it is the number that comes before the number. 7 minus 1, 6 comes always before 7. So 6 is the answer. 6 minus 2 is 4. So answer will be 40. 46 is the answer. Okay. Hmm. Now we will learn about the properties of subtraction. In that we will learn if we will less 0, what we are going to get? We are going to get the same number. So we are going to learn about subtraction properties. In subtraction, the order of the number is very important because it is match combination and non-match combination numbers. It means when the number is bigger, then only we are able to subtract the smaller number. It means if you have 4 pencils, then only you can give 2, 3 and 1 also. But if you have 1 pencil, then you can't give 4 pencil to anybody. It means it's not possible to subtract the smaller digit number to the large number. Like 4 mouse are there, 3 mouses are 3, 4 mouse are there. 4 mice are there and 3 mice here. And when we subtract it, 1 mouse is left here. But here 3 are there and 4 are subtracted. No, not possible. It is written here. Okay. Next, if we subtract 0 from any number that I already told you, the difference is the number itself. Number will come itself. 4 minus 0 is 4. The same number. 3 minus 3 is 0 basket means if the number is same, if we subtract any number from itself means we are subtracting it with the same number, we always get 0 number. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we are going to do our 4.2 exercise. In that we are going to learn the fact. Every addition has two subtract facts. 3 plus 5 is 8 means 8 minus 3 is 5 or 8 minus 5 is also 3, the same number. There are two facts. Every subtraction has two addition facts. If we want to add, we have to subtract. If we want to subtract, we have to add. Like 9 minus 4 is 5 means 5 plus 4 is 9 and 4 plus 5 is also 9. So these are the facts to be remembered properly because they are the basic things that you have to learn by your heart. Now we are doing our exercise number 4.2. In that, we are going to do it mentally. Fill in the blanks. 5 minus 2 is 3. We can write the answer directly. Minus 0 is 12. The number itself, like 12 is the number, and if we less 0 from that, the number itself will come. 20 is coming. So it means 20 plus 10 is 30. So 30 minus 10 is 20. Simple as they are. 15 minus 15, the number itself, 0 will come. Anda will come. 7 minus 0, it means here the number itself is coming. 7 minus 7, that's why 0 anda is coming. 17, again the number itself is coming. 17 minus 17 is 0. Next, now you have to write the subtraction fact that I have already told you. Like 5 plus 2 is 7. So we are going to write the sum of number, that is 7. We are going to write the sign of minus, and we will less 5 because it is the first number, that is minuend, that is called minuend. 7 is the minuend and 5 is always a subtrahend. We can change subtrahend but we can't change minuend. That answer will come to. Okay. Next is 7 minus 5 is 2 and 7 minus 2 is 5. This is the fact. Okay. Next is 4 plus 5 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1 and 5 minus 1 is 4. It is interchanged. Now 7 plus 3 is 10. So we are going to write here 10 because it is the minuend. 10 minus 7 is equals to 3. And 10 minus 3 is same 7. Next is 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So we have done here the facts in that we have learned. They both are related to each other. Now we are going to do addition facts. Addition facts are just opposite to the subtraction fact. Like 6 minus 5 is equals to 1. It means 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Okay, 5 plus 6 is equals to 6. Next is 7 minus 4 is 3, and we can change it. 1 plus 5 we can write, and answer will be the same. 6 will be the answer. Next is 7 minus 4 is 3. It means 4 plus 3 is 7, or 3 plus 4 is also 7. Okay, students, got the point? Next is 8 minus 3. It means 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 3 plus 5 is also 8. Next is 9 minus 7 is 2. So 7 plus 2 is 9. 2 plus 7 is also 9. So we have to do it very clearly that the answer will come the same. It means minuend will be the sum. Minuend will convert into the sum, and the difference will be as the addend. Now students, we are going to do our exercise number 4.4. In that also we are going to do the subtraction, but it is of 3-digit numbers. First of all, we are going to arrange them in the column, that is 100, tens and ones. 8 minus 3 is, we are going to start from rightmost part, right part, like 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 1 minus 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer will be 1, 3 and 5. 135. Next is 8 minus 5 is 3. 7 minus 6 is 1. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So answer will be 113. Okay, students. 8 minus 8 is 0. Then 6 minus 6 is also 0. And 6 minus 5 is 1. Answer will be 100. Next is 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 0 is number itself 4. And 9 minus 7 is 2. So answer is 240, 241. Next is 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 5 minus 4, 1 is 4. Answer is 4, 0 and 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 0 is 6. And 6 minus 4 is 2. Answer will be 264. Now carry over sums we have done in our addition part. In subtraction part, we will borrow. We will borrow the carry. Like 0 minus 5 is not possible, so it will become 10. 1, 0, 10. 10 minus 5. How it becomes 10 when 1 has given its number, so it will be 0 then. Okay, but here we can't subtract 3 from 0, so it becomes 10. We are going to write here 10. Next is 6 minus 5 and 6 minus 2, it means it will become 5. So now it will be easy to do the subtraction part. 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 minus 3 is 7. And 5 minus 2 is 3. This is the answer. Next is 5 minus 8 is not possible. So what we are going to do? We are going to borrow from 4. 4 will become 3. But here it will be 13. Why? Because the subtrahend is bigger than the minuend. And it will become 15. 1, 5, 15. And here it will be 4 only. So 15 minus 8 is 7. 13 minus 8 is 13 minus 8. Okay, 5. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer will be 257. 5 minus 6 not possible. So it is going to take the help of 4. 4 will help it and it gives 1. 1, 5, 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. But here when it gives, we are going to less one number from that. We are going to write the before number, that is 3. And 3 minus 2 is 1. It is possible because the minuend is bigger. Okay. Subtrahend is smaller. 6 minus 2 is also possible because 6 is bigger than 2. So 4 is the answer. 6 minus 0 is possible because 6 is the answer. 1 minus 6 is not possible because minuend is smaller than the subtrahend. So here it comes 11 and here it will be 2. Answer will be 11 minus 6 is 5 and 2 minus 1 is 1 only. Next is 5 minus 7 is not possible. It is going to take the help of 2. 2 will give it and it will be 1. And when it will be 1 and it is 5, that is 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 1 minus 4 can't be possible. So 2 is also going to, now 1 is going also to take the help of 4. 4 will give it and it will be 11. 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 is 7 only. Next it will be 3. Here we will write 3 because it has given the number, the digit, it has given the number 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Answer will be 178. Next is 8 minus 9 is not possible. So it will be borrowing. It becomes 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. Here it has borrowed. That's why 7 has given. 7 will become 6. 6 minus 9 is also not possible. So here it is going to take the help of 4. 1, 6, 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. Next, it will be 3 because 7 has taken the carry. That is borrow. That is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Answer will be 279. So students, we are doing very well the carryover sums and the sums that are borrowing. Now students, we are going to learn about the exercise 4.5 and that we are going to check it by doing addition part also. 2 minus 7 is not possible. So here it becomes 12. Why? Because it is going to borrow. And here it becomes 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. And 5 minus 3 is 2. So here is the answer 25. What we are going to write here? We are going to write here 37 plus 25. And answer will come 62 only. You can check it. Okay. 37 means 7 plus 5 is 12. Just has given the carry. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So the same answer will come. The minuend will come here and difference will be added. 5 minus 9 is not possible. So here it becomes 15 because 9 has given one number that becomes 8 because 1 is less from the number, that is 9 from 1 is 8. So 15 minus 9 is 6 and 8 minus 6 is 2. Answer will be here 26. What we are going to write here? We are going to write the minuend. We are here the answer will be the minuend and we are going to write the subtrahend like that is it 69 plus 26 will be 95. Isn't it interesting? Yes, it is very interesting. Now, three digit numbers are also the same. 5 minus 9 is not possible, so it will be 1, 5, 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. It becomes 2, but 2 minus 5 is not possible, so here it will be borrowing. 12 minus 5 is 7. Next, it becomes 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So answer will be 276. 276. So what we are going to write here? We are going to write here 459 plus 276. Just check it. 9 plus 6 is 15. So 5 will come here and 1 as a carry. 7 plus 5 is 12, but 12 and 1 is 13. 3 will come here and 1 as a carry. And 4 plus 2 is 6 and 7 will be the answer. Yes, this is the fact. Very good. Now we are going to do 7 minus 8 is not possible, so it is going to borrow. 17 will be the digit. 17 minus 8 is 9. Here 3 is 2 now because it has given one digit. 2 minus 6 is not possible, so 5 will be giving carry to 2. That will be 1. 1, 2. 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Answer is 6. And here it comes 4. Why? Because it has given some one digit. 4 minus 3 is 1. So here it comes answer 169 and it is going to be added to 368 plus 169. Answer will be here 8, 8, 9 is 17, 6 and 6 is 3, 13 like ending number is there. Okay, next is 3 and 1 is 4 and 4 and 1 is 5. So 537 is the answer. Okay students, you got it? Now we are going to do word problems in that. You can do this, scratch your brain also, find the missing digits. How you will get this? By doing the addition or subtraction. Like 8 minus 5. 8, when we minus anything, we get 5. So we are going to minus 5 from that. It comes 3. And here, if 4 is coming, it means it is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, like that you are going to try this and let me know you have tried or not. Okay, next we are going to do our word problem. So let's do it by reading first of all. Yes, students. Now we are going to read the word problems related to subtraction sums. In an auditorium, 379 were boys and rest were girls. If there are 984 students in the auditorium, what we are going to find? We are going to find girls number of girls. So if there were 984 students in an auditorium, find the number of girls. What we are going to write? We are going to write the bigger number. Bigger number is 984 and we are going to less the smaller number, that is 379. First of all, you will write 100, tens and ones, and then you are supposed to arrange it in a column and you are going to write the answer in that. Okay, students? There were 523 people in the train and 212 people left the train at the station. How many people are there now? Means total number of the students, total number of the people were in train were 523 and 212 people were left. So how many people were there? So we are going to less the number from the biggest number. That is 523 minus 212. Okay. Next is Ruby grew 629 pumpkins last year and 516 this year. How many less pumpkins did she grow this year? Less is already written here. So you will come to know that this is the minus sum word problem and you are going to less 516 from 629. Okay, students? Now 580 students went for an excursion to Goa. During summer vacations, there were 375 boys in the group. How many were girls? We know the total number of students, 580. We are going to less the number, that is 375. And we will get the answer of number of girls. There were, fifth point, there were 523 popcorn in a packet. Shalini ate 263 of them. You like popcorn now? If you are eating 100 numbers, 263 she has eaten. So how many popcorns left in the packet? You have to subtract it. Yes, you have to subtract it. Then only you will be able to get the answer. Now students, we are going to do our checkup. In that we are going to check that what we have learned and how much we are able to do it. Like 80 minus 20, it means 8 minus 2 is 6. So answer will be 60. We have to just take it like this. 78 minus 24 means 8 minus 4 is 4 and 7 minus 2 is 5. So 54 is the answer. 25 plus 18 is equal to 43. Then 43 minus 25 is 18. This is right. 25 minus it's 18. No, it is bigger digit. This is not possible. This portion is not possible. One point is right. If 17 plus 4 is 21, 21 is called, when 21 is there, it is called the sum of the number. So here it is sum. Now next we are going to subtract the following. Okay, here we come with the 100 digit, 10 digit and 1 digit too. See here, 4 minus 9 is not possible. Again the same sums are coming that you can check, you can do also. But here I am going to tell you how to do it. 1, 4, 14 will be the number and 14 minus 9 is 5. Here it will be 4 and 4 minus 6 is not possible. So it will be 14 when it borrows. It borrow from 2, from 3 it becomes 2. Okay, so here 14 minus 6 is 8 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer will be 185. 5 minus 6 is not possible. So here it will be 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. Yes, 9. And it will be 2. Why? Because it has given one digit. 2 minus 8 is not possible, so it will be 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. Next is it is 7 because it has given one digit. The before number is 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. Next is 6 minus 8 is not possible because it is bigger. It will be 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. And it will be 7. 7 minus 2 is possible. So we are going to write here 5. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So answer will be 158. Now what we are doing? We are going to subtract and check also. It is very interesting. 3 minus 5 is not possible. So it will be 13 by borrowing number. 13 minus 5 is 8. 8 will become 7 because it has given one digit. 7 minus 2 is possible. So we are going to write the same number like 5 is the answer. And 3 as it is because after 3 nothing is to be minus. Now what we are going to do is we are going to do the magic that 358, we just write here 358 plus 25 will be the answer. That is the minuend. That is 383. 25 we have to write like this and we are going to write it like this. 383 is the answer. Next is 2 minus 7 is not possible. So we are going to borrow. It will become 12. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. So 5 will be the same as it is. And here it becomes 3. 3 minus 5 is not possible. So it will be 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. And it is 4. Here it comes 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So answer is 185. So we are going to check it. We are going to do it addition. We are going to write the subtrahend first of all. That is 357 plus 185. That is the difference. And we are going to get the sum of that number. That is the minuend of that number. Like this is the sum and it's a minuend. 542 is a minuend. Okay. Solve these word problem. I'm going to explain it and you are going to do it in your copy with your good handwriting. There were 553 dolls in a toy shop. 247 dolls were sold. How many dolls are left in the toy shop? Okay, so dolls in a toy shop were there and they are sold means they are sold out. बेच दी गई. And how many dolls are left? Left means बच गई. Wherever left is coming, it means it is the sum of the word problem is related to subtraction. So we are going to less it. 553 minus sign 100 tens and ones category, and we are going to write it properly with a good handwriting and we are going to less the numbers one by one. Next is in the sleeper class bogies of train there were 576 seats. If 248 are occupied, how many are vacant? Vacant means khali. Vacants are not filled. So we are going to do 576. We are going to minus it. 248 minus 576. We will get the answer and this will be the end of our chapter number 4. In that, we have learned about the subtraction part, and it is very easy. When it is not possible, then just borrow one number from the companion, as we do. Sharing is caring and sharing is fun. So it is all about when it is not enough to subtract, it is going to borrow from the neighbor, from the companion. Okay, students, hope you all are good and you have understood subtraction part also. Okay, bye for today.